Good morning, everyone. I haven't seen the 9 a.m. sun in like so long. I'm gonna go downtown today because
my sofa came!
And yeah, so welcome to another vlog.
In 900 meters, the destination.
Nice. Hello guys, I did my makeup, so I'm going to be filming a lipstick related video right now. So go check that video out because it's most likely up. I'll link it in the cards, I'll link it in the description box. Can't believe today is already December 30th, like what the heck. But yeah, I'm gonna start filming. I'm at Canada Post shipping out a Depop order, so y'all should check out my Depop. Editing a video. Hang this up. It's December 31st. Happy New Year's Eve! More. It's like 5 in the morning right now. My friends want to go see a sunrise. Oh, you can't even see! How to crack a hard-boiled egg. Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year! 大自然好壮观啊！
Such a small time lapse.
That's just so amazing. That's just so amazing. That's so good. Tell me this is cute.
Such well-behaved kids.
Continue. Wow.
Oh, but losing you, so we go like losing you, and then snap it, let's go. And go and then clap. Losing you, and then clap. And okay. Yeah.
Louise, turn around.
Hello. I look like shit, okay?
9 a.m.
I can't believe we're actually grocery shopping. Wait, why is it percentage? Oh, that's
10 a.m.
yes. I'm going to use this. Stop vlogging my oily hair, please.
Zucchini. Here's some chef. Wow, that's some content that the viewers want to see. Oh yeah.
He thought it was cute, so he couldn't say no. Aww. At the beginning, he thought it was really cute. So his nerves were and then all of a sudden, he said yes because he thought it was cute.
To you, happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god. I love this tripod!
Guys, you know what I've been doing for like the past, I don't know how many videos? So my mom stole my tripod for my camera. But like that's okay because I don't even use my camera anymore to film because like, I don't know why the lighting on it is just so weird. Like I think I messed the camera up, but it just like the lighting on it is so weird. So I'm using my phone, I'm using Ulight. Plus I have to charge the battery and like erase all the stuff on the memory card, and that's just a large hassle. So I'd rather use my phone to film. So I think this tripod is gonna be such a good investment. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video off with the product empties because I feel like this vlog isn't long enough. Like I went from like a 20-something minute vlog and I just somehow cut it down to 5 minutes, and I'm just like, I can't upload this 5-minute vlog. Yeah, so I have like a lot of empties actually. So the first two products that I finished are from the Ordinary. This is the Ordinary Buffet. I actually finished another one this morning. I heard some good things about the Ordinary, and so I wanted to try out like products from the line or the brand. So I chose Buffet, and I think it works pretty well. When Amber got me for Secret Santa, she actually got me a backup of the Ordinary, so thank you, Amber. I got this Tatcha water cream from Sephora. I think it was like 100 points or something, or like 200. I remember it came in a pack with the cleanser and this water cream, and I did not like the cleanser. I remember it made my skin like so itchy, so I like couldn't use it. But this is pretty good. I think it was good for the summertime. Like if I were to use it right now, it definitely wouldn't be that good because like I have super dry skin. This is for people with oily skin. I feel like it's just way too light of a moisturizer. My mom actually is currently using the purple one, and like I used it a couple times, and like the purple one is definitely a lot more suited for dry skin. So if you have dry skin, get the purple version of the Tatcha water cream. I also finished this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Am I filming? Yeah, I am. Okay, so this is pretty good. It's the pink cream, the light pink one, and like it's pretty good, but again, it's very lightweight. It doesn't keep my skin like hydrated for a super long period of time. I finished this Nars Concealer. This is in the shade Light 1 Chantilly. It was good, but I like the Sephora one better because this Nars one, is my skin too dry or did I get a defect or something? But like I don't really like it that much. I just think it doesn't like blend out well on my skin. Like once I put it on, it just like stays there. Like I just think my skin is too dry to use this concealer. I really wanted to like it. I have like 2 of these, but I don't know, I don't really like it. I also have this Banish oil. I work with them like the beginning of my second year, so like fall or September of 2019, which does not seem like that long ago, but now we're in 2021. This is the only product that I finished out of the like multiple products they sent me. It's great for people with dry skin. Okay, so this is the Dr. Belmer cleanser and toner set. I think my mom just got me this makeup remover and they just like gave this. Like yeah, they were okay, not amazing, but they smelled good. And then I used up this Caudalie Instant Detox mask. It's like, you know, I like masks. I do them a lot, quite frequently. So use it up. And then I have this Kiehl's, wait, I have 2. Oh my God, guys, I used up 2 of these Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Eye Treatments. I'm currently using the 60 ml one, but this is a smaller one and I feel like I go through these really fast, and like the 60 ml literally looks like the size of a moisturizer. They're just like good eye creams. Okay, and then I used up this Ole Henriksen, I don't know how you pronounce it, I'm sorry, Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is the #1 best-selling eye cream on Sephora's website. The first eye cream I ever bought was like this one. It's okay, it's pretty good. I don't really like the smell. I remember the smell is kind of weird, like it smelled like weird like oranges or something, and then I just kept repurchasing the Kiehl's one because I think this is a little bit like less thick. I really like a thick eye cream, you know? So yeah, this is like, oh my God, bless you. And then I have this like little sample of the Belief eye cream, moisturizing eye balm. I don't know if I got a defect, but like this reminds me of a lip balm. So I don't know if this is how it works. It did keep my eyes moisturized. And then I just have the sample of the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. This smells so bad, but I used it. And then I also finished this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, this huge tub. I'm currently using another one right now. It's pretty good. And I go through them really fast because like, it's not like super thick. So I keep putting it on, like layering it, you know, so 125 mils, it's like huge. And then I have another one of this Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. Pretty good. Again, same with Tatcha. I just feel like it's for people with oily skin because it's like really not thick enough for my liking. Last product is this eyeliner, April Skin No Smudge Eye Doll Brush Pen Liner Black. Just a black eyeliner, and like, yeah, I just ran out of ink. I remember some company gave this to me a long time ago. Finally used it up. So that's pretty much everything for my product empties. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Follow me on my social media and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I'm gonna try to do weekly uploads this year. Let's see how long that lasts. Okay, yeah, I don't know why I'm so hyper right now. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah. I love my tripod so